Welcome to Team Effort. Today's topic is 4 tips for improving your onboarding experience, or how to get new hires contributing from day one. Hi, I'm Morten from Hyperreactive. Today we're going to talk about onboarding new team members and in particular how to speed up this with a good process. If you're new here and like what you see, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And as always, you can read even more about this topic in the article linked in the description below, where you can also subscribe to our newsletter. This time around, the article contains resources relevant for developing a good onboarding experience for new hires. Here's our 4 best tips for onboarding new employees. And in particular, we're talking about tips for what to do when the new hire arrives for their first day of work. Have an onboarding process. It might sound obvious, but not all companies are doing much in this regard, and some think it'll be too complex to maintain. Just get started and then iterate, constantly evaluating your initiatives and improving them. The most important thing for onboarding any developer is to have them technically set up to contribute on day one. I know of companies where the technical onboarding alone takes weeks because there's so many systems to set up and integrate. On a recent project for a client written in PHP of all things, I feared the worst, but a simple install and run was enough. Everything was perfectly containerized and I had web servers, databases and everything installed automatically for me. Maintaining a fully working install for the whole system is a complex and daunting task. However, it might make sense to use this same system for continuous integration, forcing the system to be updated as it would otherwise break daily builds. And you can also split it up into several distinct systems. There is no need for a new UX developer working on the component library to have to install the entire backend with all databases running. Make smaller projects and maintain each separately. Don't overwhelm new team members with too much information. I have seen companies schedule meetings the entire first week for new developers to get them acquainted with everyone and everything, but I'm pretty sure this only leads to information overload. Instead, I'd suggest giving new hires only the minimum information required to get started working and then slowly pile on with more systems after that. As with many other aspects, seek external help. It can be hard to evaluate your onboarding process from within, and external consultants can help you out optimizing your onboarding. You might think that every new hire is a good test of your systems, but new employees will often hesitate to point out minor inconveniences. They might also not have the experience to know what could be done better. Of course, these aren't our only tips, but it'll get you off on a great start. Please visit the article below for lots more information on the topic. Remember that you should also have a process for everything that happens even before this first day of working, handing off the new hire from recruitment to the team in question. Set up accounts, have hardware ready, etc. And similarly, you should have a process for what happens next. Follow up regularly, make sure the new employee is happy and things run as expected. For both of these processes, we recommend using software and automation, and there's a lot of tools out there to choose from. We'll touch on some of those in the article. This leads me to the question of the day. What was the best thing you've experienced during your own onboarding? Please give your answer in a comment below and feel free to tag it like this. Finally, please like and subscribe for more content like this. We'll be posting new quality content every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so make sure to stay updated. When you follow the link below to the in-depth article, you can also sign up for our newsletter on all things relevant for modern web development teams. Keep coding and thanks for watching.